Hey there, Python beginners! Ever stared at your code and thought, wow, this looks a little messy? Don't worry, you're not alone. And today, I've got a super simple tip that'll make your Python code cleaner and way more readable. Let's talk about messy loops. Imagine you need to create a list of squares for numbers 1 through 5. You might write something like this for num in range, 1, 6. Not bad, but it can get clunky, especially with more complex tasks. What if I told you there's a cleaner way? Enter list comprehensions. With just one line, you can pull off the same trick, but way cleaner. Check this out. Squares equals sign, num asterisk num for num in range, 1, 6. Boom! Much easier to read, right? No need to initialize an empty list or write extra lines. It's efficient, elegant, and very Pythonic. Let's break it down. The square brackets mean we're building a new list. Num asterisk num is what we want in the list, and for num in range, 1, 6, tells Python where those numbers come from. That's it. You've just turned 3 lines into 1, and anyone reading your code knows exactly what's happening. List comprehensions aren't just for squares. You can use them for filtering, transforming, and more. Once you start, you'll never want to go back to clunky loops. So next time you catch yourself writing a for loop just to build a list, try a list comprehension instead. Trust me, your future self and anyone else reading your code will thank you. If you found this tip helpful, hit subscribe for more Python tricks from Digital Jack of all trades. Catch you next time.